Go visit the snow, they said. It will be fun, they said. Who thinks freezing is fun? Hey, eyes on me. 'Cause I can see them drooping. Don't do the whole, the snow feels warm routine with me, alright? I will drag your ass back if I have to. Don't test me. Why the fuck would I be worried? What's there to be worried about when we're in the middle of some fucking snow-covered forest with barely any reception and no idea how we're gonna get back? What? Of course it's sarcasm. Jesus. Did you hit your head when you tripped? You did? Hey, look at me. Let me see those eyes. Damn. Your pupils are dilated. That's... Okay. We need to get out of here. Find somewhere to warm up. I remember there was a cave back there. No, it was a shallow cave. Besides, there are no bears here, dummy. Not in this part of the country. Hey, can you walk? Hey! Alright. Come here. What does it look like? I'm giving you a ride. Come on, get on my back. Gotta do everything myself. You, stay awake, alright? No nap time. Got it? Hey, I said no nap time. Tell me a story. I don't care. Anything. Yeah, that one. Tell me that one. That's not true, and you know it. Hey, keep talking. What do you mean by that, huh? What do you mean I'm mean? You know I tease you because I love you. I do love you. Hey, listen to me. I love you, okay? More than anything. You think I'm just carrying you in the middle of a snow-covered forest just because? Shit. Hey, keep talking to me. Please, just keep talking. Anything. Tell me anything. Tell me about the cat. Yeah, that one. Tell me that story. I know. Just a little longer. I think I can see the cave. Keep talking. Hey, don't go limp on me. Damn it. Hey, don't do this. Don't sleep now. You can't sleep now. Eyes open. Wake up. There you are. Okay, good, you're back. You're okay. Hang in there. No, it's okay. I'm not mad. I'm scared. Okay? Yeah. You finally scared me. See? Can't go to sleep now. Gotta gloat, right? Hold it over my head. Exactly. I'm scared because I'm so madly in love with you. And I don't want you going somewhere that I can't follow. Right? Look at me. I'm sorry. I'm sorry I don't think before I speak. I just... The feelings thing is hard for me. But just know that I love you. I've always loved you. So, don't you dare think of checking out on me, alright? We really gotta start a fire. Shit. Hey, you need to stay awake, okay? Can you do that for me? Please. Great. Alright, I'll be quick. I just gotta look for some dry leaves and other sticks and whatnot. Those should help start a fire, right? Yeah, I'll be quick. I'll be back, okay? Hey, I'm back. You still with me? Good. Hold on. I've got a match here somewhere. Yeah, well, bet you're glad I overpacked now. Okay, come here. Easy. We gotta get you out of these wet clothes. Sorry, but I'm afraid modesty is not gonna cut it. Besides, not like I've never seen you in your underwear before. So, come on. Here, I'll help you. Jesus. Dude, you're frozen. Hey, don't even think about sleeping. Not now. Because you've got a head injury, and you're frozen. Sleeping is a very bad idea. Help is coming. Someone has to have noticed we're gone by now and called for help. Besides, I think I managed to get a call out before the signal jammed. So, look, we just need to warm up and hang in there. Oh, I know you are. And you can sleep later. I promise. Look, I'm not a doctor. Yet. But anyone can tell you're not in a good state. Yeah, well, all those nights studying do pay off. Love. Because I do love you. You know that I do. I'm sorry. I'm sorry if I made you feel like I didn't. That was never my intention. I just... Damn it. You've always been able to get me like this. I love you. I know I don't express that as well as I could, as well as I should. But it's true. I love you. Only you. So, if you die on me right now, I'm gonna have to drag you back and yell at you, okay? I will though. So, keep those eyes open. Here, try to get closer to the fire, without burning yourself. Don't want to get sick now either. The clothes will dry, and then we can put them back on. Oh man, Jesus. You're shaking so much. Come here. It's friction. It should help generate some heat. People say body heat is pretty goddamn good in these situations. Hey, don't fade out on me. You only notice now. I am worried. Well, I'm glad you find this amusing. Nah, I don't care. As long as you stay with me, you can make fun of me all you want. Just keep talking. Doesn't matter. Anything, everything, just talk, please. Yeah? What made you think of that? No, I do remember. That crappy car of yours. I thought it was gonna blow up in the parking lot. Exactly. Smoke absolutely everywhere. No, none of that. Because you're gonna be fine. I know I'm not a doctor yet, but I'll be damned if I leave you like this. Keep talking. Come on. I'm here with you. I'm not leaving you. Shh. Don't talk like that. Because we're getting out of this together. I promise. Hey, did you hear that? Help is almost here. Love? Hey, no, don't do this. No. Hey, wake up. Wake up right now. Oh, God damn it. Hey, here. We're in here. I'm fine. It's them. They fell and hit their head. Hey, love, open your eyes. Are they gonna be okay? No, I keep telling you, I'm fine. Look at them. They need help, much more than I do. Hey, love, don't you dare leave. You're awake. They tried, but I refused. Because why would I need to be anywhere but here right now? Hey, I said I'm fine. Focus on you. Well, you had a concussion, mild hypothermia, dehydration, so you were in a rough spot. Look, I've been treated, okay? I'm fine. I'm good. Yeah, well, the bags under my eyes are from you, dummy. I'm sorry. I was scared. Yeah, really scared. I didn't want to let you out of my sight. Those few hours they treated me were torture. So, yeah. I signed out M4A as soon as I could. Lecture me later. Just let me be here with you. Please? You said something back then. That I was mean to you. That you didn't know where I stood with you. No, I do need to talk about it. I need to tell you and set things straight. You're the most important thing to me. Period. And I'm not good with the words thing, but I will try to show you every single day just how important you are to me. I love you, okay? Is that clear enough for you? Good. No. Because you still have a concussion. Doc wants to monitor you. Not me. I'm no doctor yet. Just stay put, please? Love you too. No, definitely not. Yeah, I'm thinking more on the beach. Exactly. Warm and sunny. Yeah. What? No, love, no more snow. Ever again. Now, get some rest. Doc will be here soon. because you're yawning. You need to sleep. Don't argue with me. You know I'm right. Go to sleep, love. Hi. So I know I'm not really the type to make an outro, but I thought I should do this anyways. Big thank you for making it till the end of this audio. This one was super fun to make and produce, so big thanks to Lupin Scripts for this incredible script. Now, another reason for making this outro right now is because at the time of this recording, my channel has just reached over 500 subscribers, I'm pretty sure. And to me, that's huge. My goal by the end of this year was to reach around 100 subs, so the fact that I beat it, and it's not even the end of the year, I have to admit, it makes me really happy. I'm really glad that you guys are liking the audios as well. I started making these just for voice acting practice, but the fact that it's comforting some of you is also really nice. Saw some comments that said it helped you sleep, so not gonna lie, that makes me really happy. I'll work hard to continue making sure that you guys get the best content that I can put out. And with that, thank you, and good night, or good morning, or good afternoon. Depends on the time zone. For me though, I think I'm gonna hit the hay, because goddamn it's late.